Class number 68. Class number 68, 93 to 98, SVT Cobra. 2 cars, 2 winners. From No Club, Frank Shipton in second place. And from Special Edition Mustangs, he recently ran against Daryl Issa for Congress out there in the Riverside area. Came in a close second. Mr. Howard Katz, longtime club participant and shower of his Mustang. Let's give them both a big round of applause. The dude ran for Congress. This is our last modified car. Thanks for bringing all those modified classes, small, personalized. I know.
I have your home number, so disregard my message.
Fifth place, Cruz. Fourth place, Vincent Rosa from Wicked Stangs. Robert Castanon gets a third place from the Mustang Pit Stop. Jesus Barragon. And for BCMC, Eric Burgos. Give them all a big round of applause.
Oh, I'm standing out of people's pictures.
Before we get to the next auction, there were some people bidding on the who were bidding on the cars like this car. Come up and get his card. Come up and see where you get his card. There's 4 cards up here, and see if they'll do a deal on your car. Really nice to have your card drawn and support our newest business. Cars by Chris. Grab a card if you'd like. Chris.
The reaction of the chemicals and keep it from blowing up. And nobody has a
Where's Ben from One Piece Glass, our new gold sponsor? One Piece Glass. Did you guys see in the corner here, up against the ocean, the pop-out glass? The rear corner that pops out, pretty cool, huh? This is Ben, he designed it. He's from One Piece Glass. It's a new item. He's gonna be putting that on some seating. I think you're looking for some seating cars. Looking for some zero cars, come on out. Tell us just a little bit about this kit we're about to auction off. Oh, the Mustangs.
Bracket assemblies, seals of course. There's no water that comes in when the glass is fully closed. Auction away, man. Enjoy.
All right, hang out here. Hang out here. Get ready. It's for 2005 to 2009. The 2010 to 2012s are in prototype stage. What does this retail for?
It's $8.95.
$8.95. $7.95. So who wants a deal? Do I hear $20 for this kit? $20 going. Do you install these also? Does it include installation? Does it? No. It's how many steps are you telling me it takes?